What's up, y'all? We're back. Today we're going to try to get the 560 to move under its own power. If we can do that, we'll take JoJo for a ride in it. It'll be the first ride in 10 years at least. Some of the things we got to make sure, the alarm seems to be going off on it, so we got to disable that. We should check the coolant, make sure there's enough in there. One thing that I don't think I got on camera was the valve body where the transmission filter mounts to. The previous person over torqued one of the screws in, so it broke that where it holds it in. So we only have 2 screws in there, so I'm a little nervous about how the transmission is going to do, but it should be okay for now. We're just going to put that on our list and get one of those when we can. We're also going to try to go to the dealership today and get some vacuum lines. I know there's got to be a vacuum leak in here somewhere, so we're going to try to see if we can get some of that stuff to button it up a little bit more. But the main goal today is to get this car moving under its own power. So that should be some fun. So if we get this thing moving, make sure you like and subscribe. And if you see something that I goofed up or that I should address, make sure you leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to my breakfast car. You're gonna drive.
For the first time ever, right, buddy?
For the first time ever. Daddy.
Huh?
Everyone, are you ready?
You're gonna see.
They're ready. That was too fast.
What?
I can see more cars.
I've lost my RPMs. I think I've lost my gauges. Nah.
Daddy. Daddy, the car is like you.
Alright, I'm gonna turn around. Oh, she died on me. Uh-oh, buddy.
What? We are running out of gas.
No, we got gas. Let me go see if I can get it. Hold tight, buddy. Let me see if I can. That one gets unplugged and it runs. Hold this and point it at you. Hold it right here and right here. And keep it pointed at you, okay? Hold it up. Not too close, right there. Okay, I'll hold it.
Too heavy.
Just steer, buddy.
Well,
We got a vacuum leak because this is not moving. You know? We got some stuff to fix. We got some stuff to do, but we can run and drive it. We can run and drive it. Should I go a little fast? One time for Grandpa? Big fast?
yeah.
Okay, wait till we turn on our street, okay? Yeah, I'm noticing them RPMs, that's not right. We gotta do something about this steering, buddy. Oh, ready?
Yay! So fun!
Ooh, I can't turn in there. Let's back up and try again. We go on gas. That little pool did it. Backing up and going forward. This is a good car, right, buddy?
Yeah, I love it.
We didn't even really go that fast. We just went a little fast.
Daddy, can I play on the playground?
I don't know. It's really muddy. We might have to find some better clothes for you to play in. Next, we're gonna fix mommy car.
Why?
Because mommy car is sitting real low. We need to make sure that it's sitting the right height so that she can drive and not hit bumps.
How am I buckle?
Pull the seatbelt. Pull it. Normally, you should just have to push it. So, JoJo, what do you think of your first ride in Grandpa Cool car?
Fun!
Yeah, we're gonna have to take more drives, okay? But we did get it moving. We did get to go for a ride. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know the footage was a little bit iffy, but I did what I had to do. We're gonna see about getting some sensors replaced or checked out. We're gonna see about a thermostat in there to start off. I don't want to change the water pump just yet. Another thing we need to do, we need to clean the drainage on the car. We need to make sure that all the water or snow and stuff can drain out properly. But yeah, we're gonna get the car together now. We got it moving under its own power. Get some tires. We're gonna get everything going. So if you like what you saw, please make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to get the first 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you leave a like if you liked the video. If there's anything that you wanted to see or you preferred to see or that I didn't show well enough, please make sure you let me know and I'll try to show it. I think I'm gonna also talk more about other cars and stuff in the next videos. We have a few other cars and stuff that we want to do and work on, want to buy. So yeah, just stay tuned, y'all. Thanks for rocking with me.